So it's Friday, the 28th, and here's an overview about what you guys are going to be doing today. So if you didn't finish yesterday's work, maybe you didn't finish copying down the vocabulary or whatever, make sure you go back into Thursday's folder and finish that up first. Okay, when you're done with Thursday's stuff, then you're going to, on a new piece of paper, you're going to start activity 6. Okay, and activity 6 is called energy chains. So we're going to be making energy chains, and we kind of did this in activity 3 where we made the pictures of the dowel rod and the rope. Okay, so that would be an energy chain. So what you guys are going to do, go into the activity 6 folder after you've reviewed the agenda underneath of this video. You're going to go into the activity 6 folder, and the first thing you're going to do on a brand new page is write down the activity name, activity 6, energy chains, and then you're going to write down the 2 essential questions. Okay, so you're just copying that down. Then the substitute is going to give you a reading. It's a very easy reading, and there's a couple of questions on the bottom here that you guys are going to answer, and they can all be found in order in this reading. So remember, as you're answering the questions, you're going to highlight where you found the answers. Okay, so once you're done completing this, you're going to go ahead and glue it into your journal on the next page after your essential questions. Okay, so the next step is the reading. After you're done with the reading, you're going to watch the video that's underneath of the reading in the Activity 6 folder, and you're going to watch me explain to you how to make an energy chain. Now, as you are watching that video, you're going to be filling out this energy chain. So you're watching the video and you're filling this out as we go along, okay? So this is going to be a good example of what an energy chain is and how to fill one out and how to make one. Okay, so you're watching the video and filling this out all at the same time. Okay, so before you start watching the video, make sure that the substitute passes this out to you. Okay, after you're done with the reading, then you do this. Okay, so glue that into your journal after the reading so that way you have a great example of what an energy chain is. And then the next thing on the next page, you're going to copy down 2 vocab words. Okay, so make sure that you're copying down the vocab words and you're highlighting them so that they're easy to find. And then the last thing for energy chains, after the vocabulary, the substitute is going to give you this energy chain. And I filled out some of it for you. It's about a rugby player, and it goes from the sun all the way until he gets hit in the face with a rugby ball and he's out cold. Okay, so you're filling in the information. So you're numbering, or you're labeling all the numbers. So number 1, what kind of energy is that? Number 2, what kind of energy is a steak? It's food, so what kind of energy is that? So every number is a type of energy. Okay, so you're labeling the numbers with types of energy. Then all of the arrows have to be either transfer or transform. Okay, so you're labeling every single arrow transfer, transform, unless they've already done it. So like this one is already done. Okay, so you're telling me the type of energy with the number, and then you're labeling your arrows either transfer or transform. Okay, and then if you want to glue that into your journal when you're done. So you'll have 2 examples of an energy chain when you're done. Then, if you didn't finish up the web quest or any other of the assignments, then that's what you're going to finish up after you're done with the fill-in-the-blank energy chain. Okay, there is an extra credit if you want to make your own energy chain from start to finish, like you doing the drawings and the arrows and stuff like that. I'll count it as extra credit for this marking period. You can just get a piece of computer paper and do that. Okay, so I hope that you guys were on your best behavior, and I'll see you on Monday.